The uncomfortable truth about health and weight loss is that a lot of the people that arrive in the destination where they want to turn their life around, it's not because they're in a place where they're happy. It's not because they're in a place where, everything is going well. They're normally going through a lot of pain. They're normally going through a lot of suffering. They're normally going through a lot of hating on themselves, or they don't like the situation that they're in, and that has been the fuel and the fire for them to actually want to make a change, which is unfortunate. Again, I wish a lot of people can come into this just purely out of inspiration, but sometimes it takes people going to the point where the pain of staying the same is so uncomfortable that now the pain in changing seems actually like a better solution than staying in this level. So for me, that's what it took. It took me having loads of boils and suffering with lots of pain and just being so uncomfortable in my own body that I was thinking, I cannot live the rest of my life like this. Like, I physically cannot live the rest of my life like this. I will do whatever I can to read and search online, even get on my knees and pray if I have to. And I did. I remember I remember at the time I was like, I'm not even that religious, but I'm gonna get on my knees and pray here. But fortunately, that led me to the right information, the right people, and the right knowledge, and I was open and I was ready. And you know what they say: when the student is ready, the teacher will appear. So, peace.